experiment completed almost. I'm gonna let these cool off. In case you were asking, this is farm bread made with molasses and oatmeal, whole wheat flour. And I'm trying a new yeast. So this is not your instant yeast. This is yeast made from the peels of apples and water. I'd say that it definitely rose. I mean, this one more than the rest, which I really like. But it is an experiment in 3 parts. We'll try it out tomorrow and tell you what we thought. Okay, good morning. I just finished slicing. And I want to go through the different breads, okay? Because I did some different methods here. It was goofy. Anyway, this is the first loaf. This is the crumb on the first loaf. I'm not mad at the first loaf, other than the fact that I forgot to cut the tops to allow it to open and rise well. The top was like one hard, solid piece. Some pieces the top stayed on, some pieces it did. But it's soft. It's sandwich bread. I mean, it really is sandwich bread. It's not exactly store-bought texture, this loaf, but it gets better as I let the proofing happen for longer beyond what the recipe called for. This is loaf number 2, which got a chance to proof a lot longer. And as you see, she's a little softer. She's softer compared to this one. This one's not so flexible. Not so flexible. I mean, she got some flex. It's soft, but this one for a wheat bread, very soft, very moist, very pretty. Like this, see how soft, flexible. The flop is in now, okay? And this is the last one, proofed the longest. And it is the nicest crumb. See that? Now this is store-bought right here. Except for the fact it has this beautiful, firm texture on the outside. On the inside, she is indeed store-bought. And you can tell the difference in the crumbs by how they sliced. So this one, I got a lot of fallen pieces that fell off. As I was slicing it, it was harder to do, or the hardest. This one, there's only this little amount, these 3 pieces that were an issue for my slicer. And with this one, I just got the 2 booty ends of the bread. That's it, 2 peels. This one sliced perfectly. So I'm gonna make notes on my recipe on what I did here so that I can consistently do it again. But this bread is gonna last me for a few days. I said to Alex, it should last us for at least a week and a half, and put some in the freezer, of course. It should last us. And he looked at me like I'd lost my marbles. But he ain't even tasted it yet. When I say that this is a healthy wheat bread, it is. It does have molasses in it to make it this nice dark color. But this is a whole grain bread, whole wheat. I don't have a mill to grind my wheat. I would love to have one of those. So it's organic, Bob's Red Mill, organic wheat bread, or wheat flour, and a little bit of regular flour. But I'm telling y'all, we're gonna make some sandwiches today, and we're gonna see how it goes. But I feel like this might be my new thing, especially because Alexander uses up my honey, so making honey bread is a little bit more difficult when you never have any. Yeah, so I'm gonna post my recipe once I've perfected it. Y'all have a great Friday.